Do you like jammy eggs? I'm obsessed with them, especially soy marinated ones. But I failed so many times before. They turn out too dry, or kind of half done but not jammy enough. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect soy marinated jammy egg. First, boil water with a pinch of salt. It helps prevent the eggs from cracking while they cook. Once the water is boiling, lower the heat to medium-low and gently add the eggs. Make sure they've come to room temperature first, otherwise the sudden temperature change can easily crack them. Cover the pot and let them cook for 6.5 minutes. Let's whip up the sauce. Use 4 parts soy sauce, 5 parts water, and a part of vinegar. Add a drizzle of sesame oil for aroma. Then get prepared for some ingredients. Slice up some Thai chili for a bit of heat. Cilantro adds a fresh, hereby aroma. Green chilies are milder than Thai chilies. White onion brings a touch of sweetness to balance everything out. Add all the aromatics to the sauce. Time's up. Turn off the heat and transfer the eggs straight into an ice bath. This stops the cooking so the yolks don't dry out. And it also helps the whites contract, makes them easier to peel. Once fully cooled, the eggs peel really easily. But take your time, please, because jammy eggs are much more delicate than fully hard-boiled ones. Give the sauce a good mix. You can already smell how amazing it is. Then add in the peeled eggs. Transfer them to the fridge and let them marinate overnight so they really soak up all that flavor. Alright, let's see how they turn out. Gently slice it open. That jammy yolk, doesn't it look amazing? Soy marinated jammy eggs are the perfect upgrade for instant noodles. You've got to have a try. If you like it, let me know in the comments.